Ito na yung form ng I'm going to. Salitang going to. Alam nyo guys, yung going to, katulad din yan ng will. Will na ginagamit sa future tense. Okay? So, bago natin pag-aralan kung saan ginagamit yung going to guys, pag-aralan muna natin yung form. Okay? Kung paano siya, yung tamang pagkakaayos niya guys, para hindi tayo marong grammar. Okay? So, pag sinabing going to, okay? Tignan nyo guys, ito yung sa taas, yan yung singular pronoun, okay? Ito naman guys, yung plural na pronoun, okay? Plural na subject pala. Ito, singular subject, okay? So, pag sinabing going to guys, mapapansin nyo, singular man or plural, pagkatapos ng going to, yung base form of the verb na ang gagamitin natin. Pag sinabing base form of the verb, yan yung present tense ng verb na hindi ka na magdadagdag ng S, hindi ka na rin magdadagdag ng D or ED. Basta yung pinaka salitang ugat ng verb. Yan ang ilalagay natin. Okay? Tapos guys, ito yung I. Kailangan siyempre may tinatawag tayong be verbs. Okay? Mapapansin natin na gumamit tayo dito ng to be verbs. Okay? To be verbs. Pag sinabing to be verbs, okay? To be, bakit nga babaliktad? Yung to be verbs, okay? To be verbs, okay? Pag sinabing to be verbs, yan yung is, okay? Are, tsaka I am, okay? Is, are, tsaka am. Okay? Yung ginagamit yan pag ang subject ay I. Okay? Ako, ibig sabihin. I am. Okay? Is, ginagamit yung is pag singular subjects tulad ng he, she, at tsaka it. Okay? Hindi ka kailanman gagamit ang is sa I. Okay? Instead, gagamit ka ng am. Okay? I am. Or am. Okay? Kahit anong bigkas nyo guys, basta yun pa rin understandable, okay? Am, okay? Understandable yan na I am, or I am, okay? So, pares lang yan guys, okay? Kaya lang, mostly guys, ang ginagamit talaga, I am, okay? Next, gagamit ka namang are, na be verb, or to be verbs, are, pagdating sa plural subject na you, we, at saka they, okay? So, to be verbs muna, subject, to be verbs, tapos going to, tapos verb na. So, yun ang tamang pagkakasunod guys, ha. Subject, okay, be verbs na is, are, or am, plus going to, okay, plus simple form of the verb, or base form of the verb. Pag sinabing base form of the verb, yan yung salitang ugat ng verb, okay? So, yun yung guys, okay? For example guys, I am going to review. Ibig sabihin, ako ay magre-review. Okay? He is going to review. Siya ay magre-review. Pag babae naman, she is going to review. Siya ay magre-review. It is going, kasi wala namang ano. Guys, rain ang ginamit ko sa it, okay? Na tumutukoy sa bagay, okay? It is going to rain, okay? Uulan. Ibig sabihin, uulan. Okay? You are going to review. You are going to review, ikaw ay magre-review. We are going to review, tayo ay magre-review. They are going to review, sila ay magre-review. Okay? Tapos guys, pwede mong dugtungan to. I am going to review at 7 PM tonight. Okay? Ako ay magre-review mamayang gabi, mamayang alas 7 ng gabi. So, pwede mong dugtungan to guys. Kasi plano to guys eh. So, kung mayroon kang gagawin, syempre, pwede mong sabihin kung kailan ka magre-review. Okay, so I'm going to review tomorrow. I'm going to review tonight. Okay, yun guys. So, pwede mong dagdagan pa yan kung gagawa ka ng sentence. Pero yung pinakasimpleng example lang ang aking ginawa para guys, hindi kayo malito, especially sa mga beginner po. Okay, next guys, pagpapaiksiin mo to guys. Okay, ito kasi, positive statement. Ibig sabihin ng positive statement, gagawin mo yung isang bagay. Okay? So, dito muna tayo sa positive statement. Ngayon, guys, pagpapaiksiin mo yung I am going to review, ito lang ang papaiksiin mo. ito lang guys ang papaiksiin mo. Okay? Yung going to plus yung verb, hindi mo na papaiksiin. Ito lang banda. Okay, so, yung to be verbs, pag pinaiksi mo, kasama yung yung subject guys, yung I am, magiging I'm. Okay? Yung he is, magiging his. Yung she is, magiging she's. It is, magiging it's. Okay? You are, magiging your. We are, magiging where. Okay, where. Where. Okay, where. Hindi where, where. Okay, tulad ng salitang where. Saan? Okay, where. There. There. Okay? Pag pinaiksi mo yung they are. So, pag pinaiksi mo tong sentence na to, I'm going to review. He's going to review. She's going to review. It's going to review. You're going to review. We're going to review. They're going to review. So, ganun yung guys. So, gagawin naman natin itong negative statement. So, guys, tandaan natin ito yung positive statement. Ang gagawin natin sa susunod ay negative statement naman. Okay? Meron siyang gagawin. Okay, so, pag negative statement, guys, ito yung tamang forms, okay? Yung tamang pagkasunod-sunod ng word. Kasi guys, pag sinabing negative statement, may salitang not or not, ibig sabihin hindi. Okay? So, subject muna, plus yung verbs na am, is, or, okay? Plus yung salitang not, bago yung salitang going to. Okay? Tapos, susunod na yung verb. Okay? Yung verb na base form of the verb, or yung salitang ugat ng verb. Okay? So yun, guys, yung pwede mo rin paiksiin yung negative statement. Pero, pag nagpaiksi ka, guys, dito lang banda, sa, pag pinagsama yung subject, plus yung be verbs. Doon lang. Pero yung not plus going to, hindi mo na siya papaiksiin. Okay? So, nagigets nyo, guys. So, buong-buo yung salitang not dito. Okay? So, umpisa na natin, guys. Pag sinabing I am not going to review, ibig sabihin ng guys, hindi ako magre-review. Okay? Hindi ako magre-review. He is not going to review. Pag lalaki naman, hindi siya magre-review. Pag babae naman, ang hindi magre-review, siya. Okay? Ano ba si Jenny? She is not going to review. Hindi siya magre-review. Okay? Pag nahuhulaan mo, guys, na hindi uulan ngayon kasi maganda naman yung panahon. Ganun, guys. Nakikita mo na maganda ang panahon. So, it is not going to lagyan natin ng salitang rain. Okay? Okay? It is not going to rain. So, hindi uulan. Okay? Pwede mo lagyan to na, it is not going to rain tonight. O, hindi uulan mamayang gabi. Okay? Nahulaan mo na. You are not going to review. Okay? We are not going to review. Hindi tayo mag-review. You are not going to review. Hindi ka mag-review. They are not. So, kulang to. So, lagyan natin ng ganito, guys, ha. Sorry, guys, na. They are not going to review. Okay? Pag papaiksin mo, guys, papaiksin mo lang yung be verbs na. Yung be verbs niya, idudugtong mo lang sa pronoun. Okay? So, yung I am, magiging I'm. Tapos, guys, yung not plus going to plus yung verb. Okay? So, I'm not going to review. It is not going to review. She is not going to review. It's not going to review. Okay? You're not going to review. Where? Okay? Hindi were, We're not going to review. They are not going to review. So, guys, ito, parehas lang ang ibig sabihin. Kaya lang, guys, pinaiksi mo lang yung dito, banda. Okay? Yung tinatawag natin na contractions. Okay? Okay, guys, ito yung going to contractions. Okay? Pag sinabing contractions, ayan, contractions. Pag sinabing contractions, guys, yung two words, gagawin mong one word. Okay? Gonna. Okay? Sa first part, or part 1 ng aking future tense of the verb, gamit yung will at saka going to, meron akong diniscuss din na contractions. Kaya lang, mayroon po kasing nagtatanong sa akin, saan ginagamit yung gonna? Guys, yung gonna, pinaiksi ng salitang going to. Okay? So, instead na I'm going to sleep, okay, sasabihin mo na I'm gonna sleep. Okay. So, guys, yung gonna, papaiksiin mo yung salitang going to. Kaya gonna na lang ang gagamitin mo. So, hindi to ginagamit, guys, sa writing. Okay. Ginagamit lang to pag nagsasalita ka. Okay. Kaya mostly, nadidinig natin to sa mga English native speakers. Ginagamit nila yung gonna. Okay. So, informal contraction siya. Okay. Isn't really a proper English word. Okay. Kaya hindi siya ginagamit sa writing. Okay. Ginagamit lang siya, guys, pag nagsasalita ka. Okay. Kaya may dalawa siyang ganan. Nakalimutan ko ng tawag doon. Basta yun, guys. So, instead na sasabihin mo na I'm going to sleep at 10 p.m. Okay. Instead na going to, ang gagamitin mo, guys, ay gonna. So, I'm gonna sleep at 10 p.m. He's going to watch TV tomorrow morning. Okay. Instead na he's going, gagawin mo na he's gonna watch TV tomorrow morning. Okay. She's going to clean the house later. Okay. Gagamitin mo na lang she's gonna clean the house later. Okay. It's gonna rain tonight. Okay. Uulan mamayang gabi. Okay. Instead na sasabihin mo na it is going to rain tonight. Sasabihin mo, it's gonna rain tonight. So, instead na going to, itong mga to, instead na going to, ang ilalagay natin, guys, ay gonna. Okay, so, I'm gonna sleep at 10 p.m. Okay? Matutulog ako mamayang alas 10 ng gabi. Okay? He's gonna watch TV tomorrow morning. Siya ay manonood ng TV bukas ng umaga. Okay? She's gonna clean the house later. Okay? Siya ay maglilinis ng bahay mamaya. Ibig sabihin, it's gonna rain tonight. Uulan mamayang gabi. You're gonna write an email. Okay? Gagawa ka or magsusulat ka ng email. Ibig sabihin, we're gonna order pizza tonight. Okay? Mag-order tayo ng pizza mamayang gabi. So, they are gonna play outside tomorrow. Sila ay maglalaro sa labas bukas. So, yun guys, yung gamit ng gonna. Okay? Okay, tandaan natin yung gonna. Gagamitin lang natin sa simple future tense of the verb. Okay? Sa ibang bagay, hindi na natin pwedeng gamitin yung gonna. Basta gagamitin lang natin sa simple future tense na ang ibig sabihin ng gonna ay going to. Okay? So, yung going to or yung gonna, hindi mo pwedeng gamitin sa salitang ganito, guys. Halimbawa, she's going to school. Okay? So, siya ay pupunta sa school. So, kung papalitan mo yung going to, example, guys, ito. Going to, okay, gonna na lang mangyayari. Gonna, okay. She's gonna school. Also, it's wrong. Okay? Wrong. So, instead na, she's going, yung kung gagamit ka ng gonna, guys, she's gonna go to school. Yan ang tama, guys. Okay? Another example, guys, for example, ito, halimbawa, she is going to the market. Okay? So, gumamit ka dito, guys, ng going to. Okay? She's going to the market. So, pagpapaiksiin mo siya, guys, gagawin mo siyang she is, okay? She is gonna go. Okay? Gonna go, okay, to the market. Ayan, guys, yung she's going to the market, hindi mo siya pwedeng paiksin ng she's gonna the market. It's wrong. Okay, kung papaiksayin mo man siya, yung going to, gamit yung gonna, so, wag mawawala yung salitang go. Kasi, guys, yung parang she's going to the market, parang ibig sabihin niyan, guys, she is going to go to the market. Okay? She is going to go to the market. Kaya, pag papaiksin mo siya, gamit yung gonna, so, she is gonna go to the market. So, naintindihan nyo, guys, ha?